Hi, Mark. Today we're going to improve something very important. When someone asks you a simple question, how do you usually answer?
I answer simply.
Let's test that. Where do you live?
I live in Hanoi.
Correct. But is that enough for a conversation?
Maybe not.
Exactly. Many learners answer correctly, but too short. Another example. What do you do?
I'm a student.
Correct again. But the conversation stops. Your grammar is fine, but your answer is too small. Today we'll learn how to answer simple questions longer, without using difficult English.
So I don't need advanced vocabulary?
No, you just need structure. Mark, let's improve your first answer. Where do you live?
I live in Hanoi.
Now add one small detail.
I live in Hanoi. It's a big city.
Good, that's already better. Now try again. What do you do?
I'm a student. I study business at university.
Excellent. Do you see the pattern? Answer one extra sentence. That's it. Let's try more. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. I usually drink coffee after that.
Very good. You are building momentum. Now let's expand further. When you answer, you can add time, place, feeling. Let's practice. Where do you work?
I work at a small company. It's near my house.
Good. You added place. What do you do after work?
I usually go home and relax. I feel tired after work.
Excellent. You added feeling. Why do you like your city?
I like my city because it's peaceful. I feel comfortable here.
Perfect. You're not using complex English. You're just expanding your idea. Mark, many simple questions start with what. For example, what do you do? What do you like? What do you usually eat? Let's practice expanding these. What do you do?
I'm a student. I study business at university. I'm in my second year.
Excellent. That's 3 short sentences. Now try another one. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I drink coffee. It depends on my schedule.
Very good. You added variety. Now this one. What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I watch movies and listen to music. I usually relax at home on weekends.
Perfect. Notice something important. You don't need long grammar structures, just short, connected sentences. Now let's practice where questions. Where do you live?
I live in Hanoi. It's a busy city in the north of Vietnam. There are many restaurants near my house.
Excellent. You added description. Where do you usually study?
I usually study at home. Sometimes I go to a cafe because it's quieter there.
Very natural. Where do you want to travel?
I want to travel to Japan. I'm interested in the culture and food. I think it's a beautiful country.
Perfect. You added place, reason, feeling. That makes your answer richer. Now let's talk about when questions. When do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. on weekdays. On weekends, I wake up later because I don't have classes.
Very good. You compared 2 times. When do you usually study English?
I usually study English in the evening after dinner. I practice for about 1 hour.
Excellent. When did you start learning English?
I started learning English when I was in primary school, but I began studying seriously 2 years ago.
That's a strong answer. See what you did? You didn't stop after the first sentence. You added context.
It feels easier now.
Because you follow a structure, not just a single answer. Mark, many learners are afraid of why questions. Because you must explain. Let's try. Why do you like English?
I like English because it's useful. I can communicate with people from other countries.
Excellent. That's clear and simple. Why do you wake up early?
I wake up early because I have work. If I wake up late, I feel stressed.
Very good. You added a result. Now one more. Why do you want to travel?
I want to travel because I enjoy seeing new places. I also want to learn about different cultures.
Perfect. When answering why, you can use because, so, and simple connectors are enough. Now let's practice connecting ideas naturally. Many learners speak like this. I work in a bank. It is busy. It is stressful. That sounds disconnected. Let's connect them.
I work in a bank, and it's very busy.
Good. Add but.
I work in a bank, and it's very busy, but I like my job.
Excellent. Now use so. Why do you study English?
I want to travel in the future, so I study English every day.
Very good. Connecting words make your answer flow smoothly. They are simple but powerful. Now let's have a short, natural conversation. Answer each question with at least 2 sentences. Where do you work?
I work at a small company near my house. I've been working there for 2 years.
Good. What do you like about your job?
I like my job because I work with friendly people. It's sometimes stressful, but I learn a lot.
Excellent. When do you usually relax?
I usually relax in the evening after dinner. I watch movies or listen to music.
Very natural. Why do you like weekends?
I like weekends because I don't have to wake up early. I can spend time with my family.
Perfect. You are now speaking longer without feeling uncomfortable.
Yes, it feels more natural now.
Because you're not just answering, you're sharing information. Mark, sometimes questions feel personal. For example, what are your goals? Why did you choose your major? What do you want in the future? Many learners answer very short because they feel nervous. Let's try. What are your goals?
My goal is to improve my English. I want to speak confidently with foreigners. I also want to use English in my future job.
Excellent. That's clear and confident. Now another one. Why did you choose business?
I chose business because I'm interested in marketing. I enjoy learning how companies grow. I think it's useful for my future.
Very good. You don't need complex grammar. Just explain your reason clearly. Confidence comes from clarity. Now let's practice mini stories. Not long stories, just 3 to 4 short sentences connected. Question. When did you start learning English?
I started learning English in primary school. At first, I didn't like it because it was difficult. But later, I realized it was important. Now, I try to practice every day.
That's a perfect mini story. You showed time, feeling, change, present situation. Now try another. Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a small town near Hanoi. It was very quiet and peaceful. I spent most of my time playing with friends outside. I still visit my hometown on holidays.
Excellent. Mini stories make your answer more interesting. Now let's improve your vocabulary slightly. Many learners repeat the same word again and again. For example, I like my city. My city is big. My city is busy. Let's improve that. Where do you live?
I live in Hanoi. It's a large city with many people. The traffic is busy, but there are many interesting places to visit.
Very good. You replaced repetition with description. Now try this. What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I watch movies and read books. I enjoy relaxing at home, especially on weekends.
Excellent. You used enjoy, relaxing, especially. Small variety makes your answer sound natural. Mark, now let's have a full conversation. You must answer every question with at least 2 or 3 sentences. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Where do you live?
I live in Hanoi. It's a busy city in the north of Vietnam. There are many restaurants and cafes near my house.
Good. What do you do?
I'm a student. I study business at university. I'm in my second year now.
Excellent. Why did you choose that major?
I chose business because I'm interested in marketing. I enjoy learning how companies grow. I think it will help me in the future.
Very good. When do you usually study English?
I usually study English in the evening, after dinner. I practice for about 1 hour every day.
That was smooth and natural.
It feels much easier now.
Because you are not stopping after one sentence anymore. Now we will make it a little faster. Answer naturally without thinking too long. Where do you work?
I work at a small company near my house. I've been working there for 2 years.
What do you like about your job?
I like my job because I work with friendly people. It's sometimes stressful, but I learn a lot.
When do you relax?
I usually relax in the evening after work. I watch movies or listen to music.
Why do you like weekends?
I like weekends because I don't have to wake up early. I can spend time with my family and friends.
Excellent. Notice something. You are speaking longer, but your sentences are still simple. That is perfect for A1 level. Mark, tell me what you learned today.
I learned that I shouldn't answer with only one sentence. I should add 1 or 2 more details.
Good. What can you add?
I can add time, place, feeling, or reason.
Excellent. What can you use to connect ideas?
And, but, so, because.
Perfect. So remember the formula. Answer one extra detail. Reason or feeling. Simple connector. That's it. You don't need advanced grammar. You just need to expand your idea.
I feel more confident now.
Good. In the next episode, we will learn how to ask simple questions naturally in English. Because conversation is not only about answering, it's also about asking. Thank you for practicing today. See you in episode 4.